Welcome to Dplay Studio. Today, I will let me show you one thing. At the end of the path point, at the end of this, it will be an error which it doesn't count the pieces, path points. Let me show you. Game manager. Let's wait for 6. Uh, Now let's see what happens. This is the error I was talking about. That here four path points were not there, but it still moved and gone on center. But we don't want this. We want only if there are four path points, then only it should move, or otherwise the other player piece should move. So today, in today's lecture, we will see this. For that, we will going to check in our player pieces. We will add one more function is path uh, bool is path point path points available to move, and here we will pass int uh, integer this number of steps to move, int number of steps already move. We will do this. We will pick this number of steps to move, number of steps already moved. Let me copy paste it. Number of steps to move, number of steps already moved, and this path points to move. Here what we will do, if condition, if number of steps to move equals to 0, then it will do return false, and here we will do int left number of path points, left number, we'll do left path equals to, it should be equal to path point, uh, path points to path point to move dot length minus n- number of steps already moved. And what we will do, if left path is greater than or equal to number of steps to move, then it will be returned true, else return false. And now we will add that condition over here. If path point available to move, and we will pass these conditions over here, number of steps to move, number of steps already moved, and path points to move. And we will put these both of these lines over here. Now I will also add that condition over here, and add move these two lines in here. Now here we are going to check that if path point is actually available to move or not. If it's not available to move for that prayer piece, then we will try to move other piece, or we will move other piece. Now let's see if it works or not. Script is saved. Now I'll play on. Let's wait for 6. I missed the 6. Let's tap it over here and move a player piece. 4, 5, 5. Now I can't move this player piece. I'm trying to move, but I can't move this. Now I'll need to move this player piece out. It comes out. And then if I roll again, now again I can't move this out, but this is moving. So this is very important that you should check again and again. So this thing is now correct. Now rest thing we will see in our next lecture. Next lecture we will try to rescale its position of the player piece, and we will rescale its position. So let's meet in next lecture.